Hello my friends, welcome to Sanyo Electronic channel. This is Uncle Misha. So today we finally got these belts. Belts I ordered from Turntable Needles, and apparently they like me because they sent me a sticker. So here's that. Here are belts. So this belt is for something else. This is for cassette player, and this belt is for this guy. So now we gonna put this to the side and just try to replace this little belt here. So if you remember, this device was actually more or less properly working, except forward and rewind was not working. So it was able to play, but was not able to forward or rewind. Actually, forward was kind of wonky, but rewind was not. Just to be precise, so please take a look at this video. So it was sitting on the shelf waiting its turn. I didn't even put back everything. Do I even screw this guy? No, I didn't. You see, like it's just like popping just like that. Okay, so our belt is right over here. So let's get close to it. So here are all screws. I just saved them, in a little baggie, which is really, yeah, that's from some electronic parts. Yeah, kind of surprised what it is. So let's just try to remove this little belt. It's easy to remove, luckily. So it just goes like this. And here, oopsies, not yet. There's a little something there. Where are you? Does not cooperate. Okay, it is loose now. Loose. Okay, here we are. Here it is. Let's put it here. Let's take a new one and compare it. So by the way, the belt name, at least from Turntable, I'm having issue actually pronouncing it. So in Turntable, so at least in Turntable Needle nomenclature, this is SBM 2.3. Okay, so if you put them close together, this one is slightly smaller. Thickness seems to be correct. Okay, 2.3 is a perimeter of that inner perimeter of this circle. So let's install it. Okay, let's put this to the side. Remove metal parts from the board for now. Just not to forget, when you power it up, it's gonna be a little bit of an issue here. All right. Pass it through. Okay. Now we need something like this. Okay. It is back on. So this is definitely a time to actually power it up and see if I was successful or not. So we know this player actually plays quite well. We already tested that, but now let's test the rewind. So the same cassette, power it up, insert the cassette. Okay, let's press the forward button. Ha! Stop. Rewind. Stop. I think I was wrong. Well, belts definitely had to be replaced, clearly. But looks like it's just not working. Okay, let's try to press some switches. Oh, it slipped. Okay, here we are, of course. Why? It slipped, I'm curious. Is it too small? Or I didn't do a good job of putting it on? It's stuck behind them. Okay, wrong. So first, in order to get this on, you have to put it over this side, which is behind this arm. Okay, and then you go over the motor pulley. Looks like it's just not cooperating there. Either it is a little bit too thick or what? Okay, I'm gonna hold on this side and I try to pull it. Wow. Okay. It is over the... I'm curious how it's actually end up underneath. Okay, how about this? I don't know if I can. I cannot rotate it, unfortunately. Okay, looks like it's alright. Okay, let's try again. Double two. Okay. Okay. It's not as strong. Okay, it stops. Just give it back. Give it back to me. Okay, let's try again. Yeah, it's I would say it's a bit on the slower side that I wanted to. No. No way, Jose. Well, that's mean only one thing. Those idlers are worn because I do not, or maybe the clutch? Maybe the clutch. Okay, let's try again without. This I don't even know what the top pulley doing actually. Okay, stop. Rewind. Yeah, by the way, I do not understand why it gets into this mode that stops. Like I thought it's gonna just stop spinning, but not kind of shut down the whole thing. I have to power it on, power it off, sorry, power it on again, does that. And now we can continue, but why? Huh, I thought it just belt, but... Okay, let's try something. Press again. Press, yeah, it's too many things I have to press. Yeah. Potentially these springs are also Need a little bit more tensioning, but how the heck I do that? I do not know. I do not know. Yeah, it's kind of, it actually looks like it. They are a little bit, but maybe it's by design. So if you compare the width of these springs and these guys, these are shorter, but I don't know if it matters. Maybe it's by design. Aha, I think we got it. Oh, okay. We need to do forward first. Then we stop. We go rewind. You see how much faster it's spinning? It's done. I just tried full complete back and forth. By the way, if this thing you hit forward, it goes all the way to the end of tape. Automatically hits the end of tape and start rewind automatically. So I left it and it came, it's absolutely in the same position when I start the forward. I'm like, what the heck is going on? Try it again. And came a little bit sooner and notice it's actually rewinding. So it goes forward, hits the end of the cassette and goes rewind automatically. Probably does it after the play. Very good feature. Stop. Rewind. So I have figured out what's the issue. An issue, as obviously, is all about friction. Yeah, let me finish this tape and I'll tell you, and I'll remove it and I show you what's up, what's going on. Alright, let's do eject. Okay, so we have two of those guys. So they consist of two idlers, right? One idler is on top, another is down there. So when play is engaged, this idler engages top of this wheel. When forward or rewind is engaged, the smaller idler engages bottom of this wheel. It looks like this top and that bottom is different diameters. The bottom one is probably slightly smaller, looks like, at least from this viewing angle. So what I have done, so I took a Q-tip just like that. Okay, took this thingy, it's a soft metal polish, rub it a little bit on over here, made this kind of, it's a bit wet because I added alcohol here, a little bit, make it kind of slurry, rub it on. Then hit forward. While this thing was spinning, I was actually rubbing lightly this thing against the spinning idler for quite a while. And what I've done by this, so I slightly polished, because I think that the thing was glazed and just essentially sliding on this or on that. So now this is much better friction, like substantially better. I can, you cannot hold this thing easily. Let's do reverse. The same story. This is not so much stiffer, like stronger now, so there is a much better bite or grip. So I think this is our solution to the problem. Obviously belt had to be replaced because that dinky belt was, first of all, it is bigger stretched. Secondly, see, it's cracking. It's all cracking, so that's definitely gone. Then after we replace the belt, there is a good transfer of energy from motor to this pulley, this little clutch pulley, and through the clutch pulley to these idlers, because they have contact with clutch pulley. So and after that I finished with the polish. I put some alcohol and clean up every surfaces to make sure I removed all leftovers of this polish. Okay, so this is my little trade secret I'm sharing with you. So after I did this, cleaned up everything, clean up this surface, the idler surface and this surface, and clean up pretty much everything, it kicked in. It didn't kick in at first. Then it's like it did first few like spools, and then like, and yeah, it went quite fast, substantially faster than it used to be. Let's do eject. All right. So looks like we are good. And now it's plays. And this is the play speed, by the way. And this is fast forward play speed. This is play. This is slow play speed. This is play. I don't know. Slow play doesn't engage. Pause. Oh, you see that? This is slow play speed. How slow is this? I'm holding. You have to hold it. Oh no, you don't. Okay, never mind. You see, this is slow play speed. Now we hit pause. It stopped. It should keep the frame. Now we can stop. Yeah, I think this. Okay, you know what? Before actually say it's all good, let's actually try video playback and see if it's good or not. Okay, guys, I guess it's time to actually test the video, and here we are. Oops, whoopsies. It was sitting. Sorry, I was sitting in something. Sorry if this is for the glare, but we definitely have a video which is not really nicely looking in terms of like. Yeah, I don't really hard to show you, but it's kind of going. Anyways, so this is little monitors they have on loan, and it has audio video, like analog audio, analog video inputs, and yeah, it's actually working. Let's do fast. Yeah, fast it's not looking the best. Let's do slow. Slow after. There's the pause. Yeah, it's not clean actually. It is slow. Okay. Well, clearly it's working. I think on the big TV was actually better, so I'm not sure if this is the cable, if this is the like all these things. But I mean, I'm gonna try it on the big TV. But so far, I think we are very good condition to say this thing is repaired. I mean. Okay, let's rewind cassette to the beginning and eject. So I think now is a good time to actually put it all together and maybe do one demonstrational video at the end. Okay, so now we got to test it. So before I could put everything together, I decided to clean all tape mechanism, clean all heads and pinch rollers. So this is probably gonna improve the quality as well. So first of all, let's try this cassette we actually used many times before. And let's see, it has some kind of workout or some kind of sitcom. Okay, go ahead. Yeah, so essentially it looks like advertisement. Oh yeah. Okay, display. I don't play this. I don't wanna play this stuff for a long time because apparently it's gonna hit some kind of content, copyright protection and stuff. So I'm gonna play it a little bit here. And I happened to find in thrift store this movie called Jagged Edge. This is very rare to find Betamax tapes, this kind of sticker falling out, but just to show this is the studio or a store-bought record, video record or movie. So let's try it. I already tried it and actually looks okay. What's going on? Something going on. It's a gray screen so far. Okay. Oh, it looks like it's the beginning of the tape. Okay, I rewind it. Oh wow, that's washed out. It's crazy. Okay, yeah, it's actually, picture is really good and stable, I must say. Absolutely no issues. I'll tweaking the exposure here right on the fly. Sorry guys for back and forth with exposure. Yeah, but look, picture is actually pretty good. So I mean, this is studio record. It's not recorded like this tape. It's recorded on some other machine. This is recorded on a factory or whatever, how they recorded it. Yeah, looking good. So I'm gonna stop at the moment. Rewind it again. So in conclusion, I think we fixed this machine, forward and rewind. works perfectly. Yeah, no problem. We fixed this machine and now I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. So I have another Betamax machine, which is a super beta machine with hi-fi, obviously much more valuable than this one. But we're gonna take a look at this in another video. But with this machine, I think we have successfully fixed it by replacing belts, cleaning up, and didn't do really much of a tune-up because it was not necessary, and picture is pretty clear. So thank you guys for watching. See you next time. If you find this such videos useful, please subscribe. I'll be happy that you'll help my channel grow to see more content like this. And thank you for watching. See you next time, and ciao.